What's up, Crypto Life? Good to see you, man. Getting everything set up, guys. Give me a few minutes. Alright, guys, so sorry about that. Had to get a few things set up. Give me 1 second and I'll be ready to rock and roll. Alright, so welcome everybody back to another episode of Mass Market. Thank you very much for tuning in. Oh boy, what a freaking day that we had with Jerome Powell coming out. So I got a few articles pulled up that we'll be kind of going over. But Fed Jerome Powell sticks to the script. More rate hikes are coming, basically what came out of the meeting that he had earlier today. So I don't think there'll be the quite 75 basis point, 50 basis point hikes that we've been used to seeing in 2022. I think we'll see the 25 basis point hikes month over month, probably heading into, I would say, May. I think that would be a fair assumption to say. So 3 or 4 more rate hikes, possibly. And then we'll have to revisit and see where we're at. But what happened with Bitcoin today? 22,637 was the low, and then we tried to bounce right back to that 23,500 range, which we got rejected as of right there, guys. So did what we were talking about. Did have a little bit of a rally. It wasn't the best news, but it wasn't the worst news either. So not looking too bad. This is the 1 hour chart. You do have the 50 crossing underneath the 200. So we'll have to wait and see what happens with that. Let's get to the 4 hour chart, kind of check things out. We're still flying high, trading sideways between these channels. Of course, we're getting rejected. On the 4 hour chart, it's not a hard rejection just yet. There's a chance tomorrow we could have a green day. And hopefully for the rest of the week, we'll have a green week and get Bitcoin above that 23.5, retesting 24,000 once again. So we'll just have to see how it goes. You seen GRT? No, I didn't, man. I'm going to have to check it out here in a few minutes. But Bitcoin's looking pretty freaking decent, guys. I cannot complain. Let me pull up GRT. I'm going to pull up Coin Market Cap, actually. Let's get that thing pulled up, and we'll see what's happening over there. What's up, Rick? Good to see you, man. All right, GRT, let's see what it did. Wow, dude, GraphCoin ran 43% today. A little bit higher than that, all the way at 22 cents. And you could have bought it this morning at 13 cents. Wow. Why did it run? Let me pull up a news article, see if we can figure out why this thing was ripping like it was, man. See if I can find some news on it. Okay, got a little article right here. Let's pull it up and see why this thing was ripping. The graph coin price prediction, GRT breaks its resistance, is 25 cents a possibility. The graph is on a bull run today, more than 65% gain in price within 24 hours, confirming the current uptrend. The token is trading at 21 cents and ranked 41 on the crypto market list, according to CoinMarketCap. The graph, like other cryptocurrencies, has enjoyed a positive start to the year. It traded between the 006 and 009 range between January 8th and February 3rd, which is, wow, just mind-blowing right there. A lot of these cryptos outside the top 50 are really starting to, do some good things here. So if achieved new price levels on February 4th when it traded at 1 level for the first time in 2023, its current price form could break more resistant levels. If bulls persist, usually various factors directly or indirectly influence the price of crypto assets in the market. So what's pushing graph up? DAppLooker, the analytic platform, reports that last week was record-breaking for the Graph network. A new record was set of the highest numbers of dApps acquiring for Graph network in the past 2 months. So last week, here's the tweet, set a new high for the number of dApps inquiring to come to Graph protocol network in the past 2 months. 129 unique dApps inquiring, 2.2 million GRT queried in total and growing. That's big news, guys. Big freaking news. I'm gonna have to do some research and kind of see what what dApps are actually trying to go to GraphCoin. So I'm gonna have to dig into this, and hopefully I'll have some information for y'all tomorrow night on this. So also, the Graph network holds educative interviews to help their growing community understand that project scopes. Historically, community-based cryptocurrencies perform better in the market since increased interest sometimes translates to more trading activities. GRTIQ tweeted out, there's a lot to talk about GRT right now on crypto Twitter, but what is Graph Protocol? What does it do? Web3 and what's going on? After recording 100 plus interviews with members of the ecosystem, we got our answer. Here's the thread to get you started. So if you want to check them out on Twitter, GRTIQ, and you can follow the thread. They'll tell you all about the coin and what they have going on. But the bulls are in control. That's what they're saying right here. And this chart looks absolutely beautiful. I cannot lie. It's above the 50. Damn, yeah, we missed that one, guys. Well, maybe some of y'all had some graph. I didn't have any graph. I was still scared from back when everything was kind of falling out. I ended up selling a lot of stuff, so lost my graph there, but it's all good. But GRT doing this thing, guys. 23 cents today. Wow, that's amazing, man. That's absolutely incredible. What's up, McGuire? Good to see you, brother. Always a pleasure, man. I've been kind of quiet on Twitter, man. Just kind of laying low for right now. I'll be back to hosting Twitter Spaces, the Lunk Live Spaces here shortly, man. So thank you for tuning in to the YouTube side of things. I want a good entry for Lunk 1795. Good, guys. Let's check you out, Spawn, because this is the title of the video, Luna Classic, and we are going to get into that, no doubt. So kind of what happened, that little consolidation period that we drew last night, it definitely broke to the upside. It took it to the very end of that little consolidation period right here. So we did break to the upside. I'm going to leave this line for the next live stream or two, just to see if we continue to ride this line up and maybe have a ascending wedge out of this consolidation period that we just broke out of. So it's not a hard break. We could still break to the downside. For that reason, I'm going to leave that for the next probably 2 live streams just to see what happens with it. Sometimes we, in the past, we've left lines popped on the charts and we come back and it's like, oh, even though it dropped below it, it went right back to it. So we're going to go ahead and leave that. But you're looking for 1795. Good, guys. Let's take a little look, man. Where's 1795? So you're pretty much right here. I'm not saying it's impossible, dude. A good entry point, you'd probably want to wait for some FUD in the market to grab you. Like, I think if you're patient, you might be able to grab you a better dip. But 1817 is really not a bad price for it. Here's what I'm thinking is going to happen here. And it's just my personal opinion. Now that we kind of got all the dumb stuff out the way with the Fed for the rest of the month of February, if the bulls continue to let the market pump like they have been, I do think we will see probably another retest of 2 flat from where we're sitting at. So that's my current price prediction for the short term. Maybe even, by Sunday, who knows? I'm feeling like we'll have a little pump come this weekend. I thought Monday and Tuesday were going to be pretty volatile because of the Fed. Monday was red. We got that one right. Bitcoin was up a little bit today, but then came back down. So the market's hard to judge right now. But with the Fed coming out pretty much stating that they're going to continue to battle inflation with the interest rate hikes for the foreseeable future, that's him saying, hey, the market's not 100% ready to go yet. So they still aiming for that 2%. And, the closer we get to that, the more bullish everything is going to get. But for right now, I do think stuff is out the way for the month of February. And this is why I'm leading up for Luna Classic. This is what I think is going to really bring us back to some really good shit here come March. Is we got version 105 upgrade already in the work. It's already enabled. The code's there. Now they have version 106, which is going to bring a lot more stuff to Luna Classic, such as the whitelisted wallets that Binance requested for them to continue their burn. Now, there's a lot of speculation. Will they? What are they going to do with the burns? Are they going to compact January, February all into one? I do not know. It's not. They weren't really specific on their layout, how they were going to do it. I think it was 50%. And that could lead to, quite a few billion getting burned come beginning of March. So we really need this version 106 to go through. The L1 team is on it. I think they're done with it. I think it's in Agora right now, so it should be going up for a vote within the next week. And then you can expect the L1 task force to possibly bring you a new proposal for funding because from what I understand, they're starting to get towards the end of the work. I think they'll be done in about 2 weeks, maybe 2.5. And they're ahead of schedule, so they're kicking ass and taking names over there. So that's always good to see. So what we can expect, proposal 106, that's going to have to pass for Binance to continue the burns. I think it will be overwhelmingly passed. I saw a lot of hate going on in the community about the Binance burns. I posted a few tweets about it. People asking me like, hey, why are you even excited? This should go toward development. Well, if Binance wanted that to go towards development, they would put that money towards development. They are burning their coins right now. They're one of the largest holders of Luna Classic, and that's what they're doing. They're trying to burn their bags with users' funds from their platform, and it's okay. They're allowed to do that. That's their money, and that was part of the reason why we put up Prop 11111, which was to try to get Binance back to the table because they were going to step away. And it worked, and here we are. We're just waiting for 106 to pass to where we can start getting that Binance burn again. Binance only burns 2 tokens, guys. Binance, BNB, and Luna Classic. And that should tell you a lot right there, guys. So what I am sick of is all the FUD and all the bullshit in the community. So I've been kind of staying away for right now. Not really staying away, just taking a break, taking a step back. Letting some people show their ways, and I'll be back hosting the Lunk Live spaces soon. Diamond Hands is sick. A few of us are just, we're tired, man. We're run down. But I'm trying to grow the YouTube front back, so if y'all could help share the videos, do all that good stuff, I would greatly appreciate it. Really trying to make a run at this YouTube thing, and once again, and we're gonna try to keep these live streams coming to you nightly. So, Luna Classic, guys, I'm really hoping that we continue to respect this line. As of right now, it's looking good. I can't check the 4-hour here on Webull because it is totally still jacked up. I did email them concerning this issue because I'm like, hey, dude, it's messing up my live streams. Bulldog Trading, thank you very much for that 99 cent to pay your rent. Super chat. My friend, I don't even know if the little dude danced. Did he come on and dance? Regardless, thank you very much for that super chat, my friend. Greatly freaking appreciate it, man. And thank you, McGuire. I really do appreciate you, my man. So yeah, I don't even know if the little kid danced or not. So I don't know if I had something in front of him. So, but basically, guys, for Luna Classic, I'm hoping we have that continuation where we ride this uptrend. and form this ascending wedge. It'd be nice to see a pump back to 1.9, 1.9.5, which is very much in the works for the month of February if everything continues. Now, we still haven't quite broken. This consolidation phase might go a little bit longer, so you could see it come back down. It's not set in stone yet because you're waiting really for the break over these two tops right here in this area. And if you can get those, that'd be a true confirmation of a break to the upside. Because one would argue you're still setting lower highs and higher lows. So we'll just have to wait and see how the rest of this plays out. But as of right now, it's looking pretty good. We're going to leave that line. And hopefully we'll see a retest of 1.9 coming here shortly, guys. We're at 1.8455 right now. Very, very freaking possible. Hey, what's up, William? I saw your comment. So I do believe they're going to be burning 50% of the trading fees. So it's not really set in stone. Kind of what I got from the picture was 50%. So I do think you'll see a pretty big burn come March 1st. I think you'll see, 5 billion at least burned in the month of March. So could be bigger, could be smaller. That's honestly kind of time where I think we could be going with it. So and guys, if you're looking for a good validator, Lunk Live, guys, look, we need some delegations. The bullshit with Jacob, and that shit's still not done with yet. He's blocked me on Twitter. I can show you this shit, guys. This man has blocked me on Twitter. Pull up my Twitter real quick. So this man has blocked me on frickin' Twitter, and I haven't been that argumentative with him, to be fair. Like, to be 100% fair. My biggest thing with that was, hey, guy, you're screaming from the top of the rooftops about compromised validators, when I know for a fact that people are running validators for other people, and I know for a fact that people are buying validators from other people. So those keys are compromised. So you want to sit here and bitch at us about using all nodes, which look at all nodes. All nodes is down to 60.5% voting power now. They really took a hit since raising their commissions up to 10%, and it's starting to work. We're getting more decentralized. But another big problem is the top 2, 3, and 4 validators are now getting most of those delegations. So it's a funny game. It really is. But as of right now, we got a couple proposals up. One that Lunk Live voted no for. We usually don't do that, but we voted no for it right out the gate because they want to raise commissions for every validator by 5%. And I understand crypto's worldwide. I'll give you my personal view on that thing. I'm an American. Okay, I believe in freedom. Okay, if a business wants to run at 0 commission, let that business do its thing. Okay, now the very thing that Rabbi and the rest of these guys are trying to scream decentralization, you are now pushing towards decentralization, and I don't believe in that. So for that reason alone, I struck it down. All nodes voted right away. Now a lot of these validators had their commissions set to 0% to gain delegators, and now who would benefit from that very fact if everybody raised to 5%? 5% is the new floor. It's a sketchy game. So we voted no for that right away. That's how we feel about it. Lunk Live, we stay at 4%, just to where we can make money to pay for the validator and to redistribute back into the community, which we will start doing. But as of right now, after all the Jacob shit, we lost a lot of delegations. So if anybody has some Lunk laying around and you can, you want to stake your Lunk, please consider Lunk Live Validator. We're for the community, by the community, and we'd love to have you stake with us. We could really use your support. So, with that spiel, let me get a sip real quick. Yeah, Bulldog, I don't know if the redeems are working. So, I don't know if that's going to be happening. Redeeming the hot dog. Kraken says bought in at 0.643, holding 45 million, still buying. Well, Kraken, that's what's up, man. So you're up pretty good off your investment right there with Luna Classic. You should be very freaking happy with that. What's up, Neil Stewart? Good to see you, man. So yeah, man, if you're just holding on to it, I can show you our validator. Let me get that pulled up. So I don't know if you have the Terra Station app, but we are at Lunk Live. Let's see this. So these are all the props we have real quick. Raise validator commission to 5%. That's the one we just went over. Repeg of USTC. So ever since Duncan came out with his repeg initiative, actionable plan now by Mr. Giveaway Validator. Yeah. Lunk airdrop proposal. I don't see how these guys keep putting up these props, these scam props. I don't see how they don't just get their stuff taken away. They keep losing a million. They keeps getting burned. No with veto. So I just don't quite understand it. But LUNC Penguins. This is Happy Caddy Crypto. The Huddle Tracker. We have a website too. We don't quite have the validator list on there yet. It's coming. But here's a list of your validators. And we're really got hit hard. You know, we were above almost at 6 billion. And we're at 3.57 after all that shit with Jacob. Now, we're at number 36. So we could really, really use your support, guys. So if you're interested and you're holding and you want a good validator, there you go. McGuire, that dude's coming in hot saying 20 milli for Lunk Live. Thank you very much, McGuire. That's what I'm talking about, man. Appreciate you, dude. Really do. All right, so yeah, that's what we got for Luna Classic, guys. I do think that the burn initiative coming back with Binance is going to really set the tone for the month of March. And I think Luna Classic is going to start off hot. I think we'll be well above that 2 flat range. That's my prediction. But right now, we're just trying to get out of this consolidation phase. Really good chance, guys, we break below this ascending line and we make a new low and we trade sideways and just have a longer consolidation period. But it's very good to see us bouncing right off that line. So it's a very good chance we could start an ascending wedge where we have that level of resistance up top right here. And, you know, your ascending level of support would bounce off that line. So hopefully we see that. Redeem Golf, what's up? What's up, One Shot GT, man? Good to see you. Okay. Where are we at? Since One Shot's here, it made me think of AGIX. I want to pull that up real quick. And that thing went up in rank once again, up another 14%, guys. Number 64 now. It was 77 last night. And, dude, it just keeps stepping up. It looks like it's making another stair. So, this thing, man, 64 cents. That is just freaking crazy, man. It's got to be, I don't think that was the all-time high was $1.50. So what's weird about it is, okay, so back in April 1st of 21, that's when the bull market was really in full swing there, 36 cents. And then it came back to, it lost 50% of its value and then went back to 38 cents. And now you just exploded. So I'd almost guess, guys, you would probably see a little same scenario where, you know, if you could future track that, you're probably going to come back down just like you did here and just like you did here. So, in my opinion, I'd be looking to probably offload it here shortly if I was holding this. I know One Shot bought in 17 cents the other day. He texted me about it, and that was a great freaking play, man. Hopefully you bought a boatload. But what was the volume like today? Trading volume, yeah, up 23%. So yeah, trading volume still up. Market cap's going up 15%. That's not going to continue forever, but as of right now, dude, everything is looking great. So Singularity. All right, let me pull up. Let's go through the top 100 real quick, and then we'll get over to some other cryptos. What's up, Viral Video? How you doing, brother? I've been doing good, man. Hopefully you've been well. All right, where we at? Okay. It's Bitcoin the past 24 hours up 1.75%. Ethereum up 3 and some change. Everything up about 2 to 4%. And of course we have our runners. Polygon Matic up 4.15. We did some TA on Matic. Did it hit 130? We said 130 last night, so we're gonna go over that and see if it touched it. The biggest movers out the top 100 for 24 hours. Lido DAO, the one that tied in with Ethereum staking. I keep saying it. Looks like it's about to pass up ApeCoin here shortly. Let's see what else we got. Of course, Graph was 65%. That was probably the biggest mover out the top 100. See what else we got. Engine Coin 13%. Basic Attention BAT. So yeah, not too bad. Let's check Gala real quick. Gala was at yeah, Gala lost a couple spots down to 109. It's up it's about 6% today. Not too bad. So that's the top 100 coins for today. Not too much not too much happening. Let's get over to Matic real quick, my favorite layer 2 solution. If y'all got any cryptos, guys, just drop them in the comments. We'll take a look at them. Crow is doing well. I haven't checked it today, man. I might actually did really well on Crow. That was one I sold at the top. I sold it like 98 cents back in November or whenever it was. Almost hit $1. And I just figured everybody was trying to get out at $1, so I exited right before that. Which looked out. Same time I sold my FTM at 288 and my Ethereum at 4,000, so it turned out pretty well. That was some pretty good trading we did. Been solid, buddy. Here to take some chances with these gains. What you making gains on, man? Please let us know. Okay, what's setting up for Matic right here? 128 double top. Let's see if we can break through that, get above 130, and shoot between there and 135. Very good chance that happens. You're still in a bit of an uptrend. Just that double top. I don't really like that right there. Hopefully it's a cup and handle and we break to the upside, because same thing like a double bottom. You really don't want to see a double, like you see a double bottom, you'll fall out. Double top, hopefully we break to the upside. So we'll just have to wait and see. But Matic, I'm waiting on a 130 retest, and then we'll kind of know. You'll probably see that by tomorrow. I think tomorrow is going to be a pretty green day for crypto. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens with that. Let's see what else we got. We went over something else last night. We said we would jump back over to. I forgot what it was. Let me see. BTC and S&P futures. Man, that S&P has been doing crypto like moves on. I haven't seen it, man. Let's see it. Yeah, you ain't lying, man. Could be setting up for a 41.95 double top and then blow off the top right there. So let's keep it going, man. You're kind of at a level of resistance right there. Little head and shoulder action. Boy, if you can break up and then get to 43.25, yeah. I mean, it could do some pretty good stuff. Where are we looking at? Give me 1 second. Let me pull this up. What stock did we look at last night, guys? I can't think of it for... Man, I should have wrote it down. I used to have a little list clipboard next to my computer to where I knew everything we were looking at. But Dogecoin had a pretty good run up to 9 cents, almost 10 cents right there. Kind of been trading sideways off a little... you call that a little flag waving in the wind, a bear flag. Past 4-hour charts, though, it's still looking beautiful. You're on a beautiful uptrend, setting higher lows and higher highs right here. So I do think that could possibly continue, and then we could set ourselves up for a 10-cent retest coming this week. So we'll have to see. And a single S&P future is 50x, so the moves are, hey, man, yeah, if you make it money, hats off to you, man. Dogecoin looking good, guys. I think 10 cents we'll probably see here. Hopefully by this weekend. I think it's going to be a green weekend for crypto, and hopefully we do see some pretty good returns on that, on our investments this week. So, man, I can't get over the fact that I can't remember that stock, dude, and it is bugging me. I might have to go back and watch my video from last night and figure out what it was. I know there was a an AI stock, but there was no way to do TA on it, so I didn't. There was another one I said we would revisit. Oh well, I can't think of it, man. It's gone. I'll probably watch my video from yesterday in a little bit and try to get to the bottom of it. Let's pull up some XRP. Yeah, man, I'm still holding on to it. Oh, actually, let's check out FTM real quick. Phantom's looking beautiful right now. 65 cents. Could you be going back for a retest? Very possible. So we're just waiting for that. FTM, man, I missed the boat on that. I should have been buying it way back here at, where was it? Yeah, 16 cents. Right there. This little area right here. That was the buying opportunity for FTM, guys. Now it kind of, took off on us, so not quite looking at it just yet, but interesting. Let's see this. Veracity was up 15% today. Not bad, bro. Not freaking bad. I know when you asked me, it must have did something. It's good stuff. That's some good stuff. Where's that at? 285 on the list. So let's check out what Flex did real quick. Flex is up 4.21% here today. And it's going in a bit of a downtrend, so I'm just waiting to possibly buy some more around that 75 to $1 range. So we'll see if that happens. Flex is 2,874 on the market list. Way down there, but keep my eye on it. You should too. All right, 1 second. Jasmine, yeah, I could pull up coin market. Let me pull it up. Trading view. I don't know if you noticed, Rick, but Jasmine has been getting pretty active on Twitter, and I find that pretty interesting. So Jasmine's up 2% today. Still been, wow, so we did come back. That's the lines we popped last night. So we got rejected right off our line. It bust through and then came back down. So just waiting to see if we'll have a continuation, and this ain't the resistance point where we come back down a little bit. So working its way back to 1 penny, man. I'm kind of regret not picking up quite a bit myself right now. So when it was really down, like in the 5 range right here, but man, I feel like we scrubbed the bottom, guys. Man, it was at 0.0002. Holy shit, man, that'd have been a really, really good buy. But yeah, Jasmine's getting pretty active. They're getting a bunch of partnerships. They're starting to host spaces on crypto Twitter. Could definitely be a really good investment coming here for 2023, guys, into 2024. Next bull run, Jasmine could be a serious money maker. So do keep your eye on it. It's on a bit of a rip right there. I don't know if you would maybe wait for a pullback, but that's if it doesn't keep going. If it has a continuation and you get above this level of resistance, you could trade sideways above it, consolidate, and look to have an uptrend from there. So if the way everything keeps going and Bitcoin continues to be bullish and the crypto market is bullish, we'll probably see a continuation of a lot of these altcoins that we're having fun with right now. So bullish, guys. Jasmine bullish. Let's just wait to see what happens, because you have a lot of areas to talk about after we cross this level right here, if this is sustainable. I mean, that was a pretty straight up, that's 4-hour time frame, guys, so this is pretty straight up impressive. So I don't know if that's sustainable. Usually when you have these big spikes like that, you come back down, then you'll shoot back up. I don't know if that'll be the same scenario, but that was on a pretty harsh downtrend. I think you've broken out of that, and you could see like a little inverse head and shoulders type scenario start happening. So you still might be able to get in a little bit cheaper, but I'm just watching this right now. Could end up somewhere around the 6 range again, and that's 0.006. So if that happens, I will definitely be hopping on the heavy on the Jasmine train, my friends. So just being patient right now still. Yeah, I saw it pump about 15-20%. We could pull it up here. It had a pretty good run. Let's see. I thought I just had it pulled up here. Yeah, so this is the pump today. It's not showing the same as coin market is showing it. It's only showing it up barely 0.75%. But it had a pretty massive freaking spike today. Man, wow, look at this thing. I bet you that was November. Yep, that was November. The peak back when Bitcoin was at 69,000. That thing was at 8 cents. There's definitely something to keep your eye on here, guys. This could definitely moon when Bitcoin goes again. And then, you know, you get this long sideways trading where it really tries to bore everybody out of their mind, out of their freaking mind. And then you finally start heading back up. Well, we're starting to head back up, and we're starting to stair step a little bit. So it's starting to get a little exciting here for crypto. We're not out the woods quite yet, though. And I think the Fed whatever's going on, he's going to continue raising interest rates. So, you know, as they get lighter, I feel like that was the bottom. I feel like bottom was in. I really do. And I do think we'll see a little upwards and downwards movement here. We could see Bitcoin pump to 27, 28,000, get people excited, then come right back down to the levels which we're trading at now, 23, 24. So I do think the bottom was cut in, unless something drastic, current events in the world happen. I do feel like bottom was in, and you got a good entry point. So as of right now, yeah, I am happy I got in on this thing, and I'll probably hold this till the next bull run, to be honest with you, man. So good play. Alright guys, so if y'all got any more questions for me, drop them in the comment section, man. I still can't think of the freaking thing, dude, that I was trying to go over. I said I was going to review it tonight, and it's eating me up, man. I was trying to rush because when I got home, I scheduled the live stream for 9 o'clock. Well, I put it for 8:30, and then I was running behind, so I had to change it to 9 o'clock. And I didn't have everything prepared for this live stream, so it's a little kind of all over the place. Sorry about that, guys, but hopefully you're as bullish as I am on crypto right now. I really do think that we hit bottom, and I'm not saying the bull run's back activated. Not so all. I would never say that right now. What I'm saying is I think we're starting to see some green, and it could continue very slowly over the course of the next couple months. So I feel like bottom's in. If you feel like bottom's in, let me know in the comments of this video. I would love to freaking know your thoughts. But guys, I'm bullish as hell on Luna Classic. Come March, Binance burns. I know people don't think it's doing a lot. I see a lot of criticism for Binance, but let me tell you what, if you're burning billions of coins, millions of dollars, nobody else is doing that, man. Are you watching this video? You gonna go light a burn barrel in your backyard with $1 million in it? No, it ain't gonna happen. So we need to keep them on our side. We need to keep them supporting Luna Classic, and we'll be fine, man. Because we lose Binance's support, that's really gonna be hard for Luna Classic. So I support any proposal that is supporting our #1 investor, and for that reason alone, and many others, I would say, you know, Lunk Live voted no for the 5% commission because it takes the aim at like the bigger validators and the ones that were using 0%. It's a free market, okay? You're not doing anything but benefiting the validators that had 0% to gain their delegations, and now, of course, all those same validators, are voting yes to raise commission to 5% because now it levels the playing field. Whatever, man. To each his own. One Shot says, I'm looking at VAI coin and Ape coin. I'm in on both and adding. Ape coin's about to get passed up, I think, bro, by one of them other ones. But we can pull it up here. Ape coin. Yeah, no, it's looking beautiful, man. Okay, so it's kind of topping over here at 641, lower high, lower low, not so much a lower low. So hopefully you can get some consolidation and bounce to get you back in the uptrend here. Man, I don't know if the redeems are working, man. Bulldog tried to redeem Hot Dog, and it was not working, which I did go through and fix them at one point, but I don't know what happened. Cloudbot. Let me see if I can pull it up. Okay, he'll probably work now. He was turned off, so that's probably why he wasn't working. You pull the chat up over here. Let's see if it works. There we go, baby. Okay, yeah, CloudBot was just turned off, so my bad, my man. All right, so yeah, dude, ApeCoin, I'm always a believer in ApeCoin at 450, man. That's just where I'm at. Look, 450 right in this area right here. I'm always like, hey, if it dips below 450, I'm gonna pick me up quite a bit. And I never freaking do, man. But ApeCoin's trying to rip right now, actually. It's not doing too bad. Let's leave it up off the 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart, you're kind of seeing a little sell-off. But ever since 614, you know, if you bounce at this area and you continue heading up, bullish, man. Let's check the 4-hour chart for a golden cross. So same thing, same scenario. When we broke the news of all those golden crosses off the 4-hour, that was on January 6th across the board. And that's the reason we gave it to you. It went from 389 to 641. Almost a 100% play there. So, yeah, I'm happy with it. And if we have a continuation in March with crypto, man, all these plays will probably be up another 50 to 75%. I really do believe that. So I'm bullish, man. I really am right now. I'm bullish for the short term. I do think we're going to see a pretty good pullback from all these gains that we saw. But we got income tax time coming in. People are starting to receive their income tax. A lot of people are going to put that into crypto. So I do think you'll see a good little pump here for the month of March. And I think March is going to be good for us, especially with the Binance burns coming back for Luna Classic, guys. So let me pull up one more thing. All right. Can't find it right now. I think it was Mullen. Let me see if it was Mullen. No, it wasn't Mullen, but Mullen's been looking pretty good. It came back down today, but I need to revamp the screen, so I'm probably going to do that tonight. So I'm probably going to end the live stream here. But really, guys, I want to say thank you for always tuning into the live streams. Really means a lot to me. And if you could share these with your friends that enjoy crypto, learn about TA, simple stuff like that. We're really trying hard to grow the channel here, so that would be much appreciated. So we'll try to have some pretty good information for you guys tomorrow night. You know, if anything's happening in the crypto space, you can look for me on Twitter. I usually post a lot of information there. We got 100% free Discord pinned to the link down below in the description, so feel free to take full advantage of that. We always had it free, so free of charge. So guys, with that being said, I'm probably gonna look to head out of here and you know, continue doing our thing. So McGuire, appreciate you, brother. And if you did delegate with Lunk Live, man, I really do appreciate it. We need support from the community right now, man. We've been getting beat down, and we're just some good guys trying to do some good stuff in the community. So if you did delegate, man, you're all right with me. You're a good guy, my friend. So thank you very much. And yeah, guys, one shot. We'll see what happens with Singularity Network tomorrow. It's, you know, 15% up today. Is it going to be up tomorrow? Man, we'll have to wait to see. But best of luck to you, man. All right, with that being said, guys, I'm out of here. Much freaking love. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in to Matt's Market. See you tomorrow. Peace.